How old are
I
you?
am 37 years old.
Oh my gosh. Really?
37.
Really? No, I
I
don't
am
believe it.
37 years old.
No, I don't believe it. I can't believe it.
You too much young.
You
You
look
too
like,
much young, you know?
yeah, you look like 22 or 23 like that. You don't look like 37.
No, I'm 37.
No, no, no.
Your age is same like your age is same age my daughter, you know? My daughter is 15 years old. Same
Oh.
your age.
By the way, are you married?
No. Hi Tata.
Oh, you're not
Hello.
married, but you have a children?
Yes, I have children but I'm not married.
How is it possible? Is it possible in your country?
It's possible in Philippines. Yes,
Oh,
Philippines is free country.
but
You
in my
can do
country,
whatever you want.
it's illegal.
Oh, it's your country. It's your country, not my country.
Oh,
Wala.
okay. But I didn't know that. I know that first time.
Now you know.
Yes.
Now you know. And don't say it again. I love you because I'm older than you. You
Oh,
same like age my daughter.
do you know my
15
real
years
age?
old, mashallah.
It was not my real age. Am I look
Ha
like
ha ha
15
ha.
years old? Am I look like 15 years old?
No,
Hmm.
you not look like 15 years old, but you say you
Then
15 years old. What I do?
how did you believe it?
I'm not believe it, but you say you 15. It's
Yeah,
yourself.
just
I don't know
joking.
you.
I was just joking with you.
Your choice.
Yeah. By the
I
way,
think
what is your
you look like maybe what?
yeah, yeah.
Maybe you are 30 something
Oh my gosh.
or 20.
I'm
Maybe
24.
27, 28.
I'm 24.
Oh, okay. Hi Raha Paisal. Hello. Guys, you can subscribe to Mr. Fall with her channel or whatever. You support him, guys. Yalla.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome. Guys, support Mr. Fall, okay?
By the way, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red and blue green. Red and blue green.
Oh, and
Hi,
do you
May.
enjoy cooking? Do you enjoy cook?
Yes, I'm cooking, but Philippine dishes.
Yeah. Who is the best
Philippine
cook?
dish.
Who is the best cook in your family?
Oh, my brother.
Oh, that's cool.
My brother. Because me, I'm not cooking, but I can cook, but I'm not good in cooking.
So, how many brothers do you have?
I have three brothers and I have one sisters. And also I have a mother and a father and I have two daughters.
Oh, okay. So you have a big family.
What?
I said you have a big family. Am I right?
Yes.
Where are you living?
Yes, I have a big family.
Where are you living right now? Is it countryside or city side?
Now, I'm living here in Saudi Arabia now. I'm working here.
Oh, okay.
But in Philippines, I am living in province.
Okay, then Where are you now?
I'm here in Saudi Arabia.
How long have you been over there?
Now is exactly 2 years. April 1.
Oh, with whom
Hi,
are
baby
you staying
boy.
over there?
Yeah, I'm staying here in my employer. Hi,
Oh,
hello. Mr. Fall is interviewing with me. He have a YouTube channel or what is that?
Mr. Paul English.
Oh, okay.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes, it's depend the person. I want to be a romantic. If I love a person, I'm a romantic person. If I don't love, I'm not a romantic.
Then do you like music?
Yes, of course. I love music, but I love too much reading.
Then what is your favorite book?
It's a Wattpad. You know Wattpad?
No, I don't know.
Hi, ano ba
Who
to?
is your favorite author?
Writer. Oh, I don't remember the name because I'm just reading the book only any book.
It's a, then can you sing a song right now?
What?
Can you
Song?
sing? Yeah,
I
can you
don't
sing?
know how to sing.
Oh, really?
No, no, no. I don't know how to sing.
Then
I don't know how to sing.
what is your special talent? Do you have any special talent?
Talent?
Yeah.
I don't know if I have a talent.
Okay, no problem.
I can't discover my talent.
Can you dance?
Hi, Mr. Gamer. Oh, a little bit. I can dance.
Okay. Then it's your talent. I think it's your special talent.